All right, guys, everybody, I'm just going to give you guys kind of a tour of my shop location here in Escondido, just north of San Diego. So right when you come in, you can see that I have my little signage there. Sometimes I'm gone, so I got to write. It's kind of ghetto, but I write stuff in here. And when you walk in, you're going to be greeted with some cool photos that we have in here. And here's the front desk with the TV going. We got some nice comfortable couches here as well. And then you walk through here, and we keep a tight ship around here, so we want to make sure that everything is organized, in place, and where we can find it. Now we have tool carts that we use to keep our tools organized and whatnot. We are working on a hail damage vehicle right here. This is an FJ Cruiser. We're getting ready to Rni it, which means take things apart. You can see that there's a nice significant dent here. There's some dents in here, and there's a lot more damage in a panel of a vehicle when it has hail damage. As soon as we throw some lights on it, the top of the roof is way whacked too as well, so we'll have to take the roof rock off, drop the headliner, and things like that. So that's what we're doing here on this vehicle. You can see over here that we have another toolbox. We'll go through one of the toolboxes as well. You've got my student over here. He's checking his tools and making sure everything's looking good, which we're going to go and check that out too as well. Here's the Rni Toolbox. We have a lot of different tools that will make sure that we do a proper removal of the panels and installation. A lot of cool stuff that we just keep around to make sure that we're going to do an amazing job. Over here we have a motorcycle tank vice stand. That's my dog's pillow. When he comes over, he chills on the pillow. Another tool cart, our little sound systems, little micro detail area right here, and our detail cart. We've got odds and end tools that we can't fit in our toolboxes, but tools that we still use a lot, so we keep them on the tool cart. And then let me give you a little bit of a tour of the snap-on box. Here is a lot of common hail rods we use, Carbon Tech in particular. I have other manufacturers that I use too as well, other rods that I just can't fit all in there. And this Dent stuff up here, we've got Endeavor stuff and the wood. We've got Kiko's set up right here too as well. The Tequila hanger, which is pretty bitchin'. And then we've got the Ultra drawer right here. That's looking pretty good. All right, we keep it super organized. Stand liner. We got so many tools in this drawer that we really need to reorganize it, but that kind of gives you an idea of what we do. This is where we keep our little accessories, tap downs, our little caps, our tips, hangers. Another knockdown is really cool knockdown. I like what the tip is. This is Endeavor's, and that's the VIP plastic tip. A fantastic combination right there. So what else? This is our little Glexo drawer, our kind of hangers and hood props and door jammers. Wire connection wires that we use from Blem, Quicksilver, blending hammers. Some of the best blending hammers that are on the market here, you're gonna see right here. Okay, lately one I picked up and from Brazilian made. It's a very good hammer. And matter of fact, is the other brother of it here, which this tip comes off, and it is magnetic. So what that means is it doesn't touch. Actually, I'll do it right here. It doesn't touch the panel of the vehicle. Okay, so that is not making any contact with that. So it's totally, completely magnetic. Really good. This one weighs a little bit more, so it's not the same. You can make it weigh more if you put a different tip on there. So that'll be pretty interesting. And then we've got the slide hammer too as well. Again, this is not touching or making any metal to metal contact. And you can see that it's quite nifty like that. All these slide hammer, these planing hammers are amazing. They work really well. I'm beginning to feel that each one has its own thing. Okay, it is really, really nice. Latest one from Carbon Tech. It's a beautiful, beautiful blending hammer. It's a heavier one. If you like heavy, this is the one for you. Another heavier one, the Bryce Rockhill, the original one. Crown Jewel. I call it the Crown Killer. It is a must-have. Even if you don't know how to blend, this is a safe bet on how to learn how to blend, because it's very forgiving, and it really can smash down some crowns really quickly and accurately. We can go on and on. Ultras just came out with their blending hammer, which is an extendable. This extends. And someone that came out with one before was Velocity PDR, which is this one, a little bit thicker. Extends too as well. Telescoping, shall I say. This is the magnetic Willy Quick, and this thing switches out to I can go on and on and on. One that just came out too as well, which I have yet to review, is the one from Danny from Italy, and it's interesting. It does work. I haven't used it enough to give you my final pros and cons on it. It really is not too much cons, so I'm just trying to give you some feedback about how it works. And this is another carbon fiber base handle, John Hiley's multi-use blending hammer / accessory, another must-have. And yeah, it is really amazing. You've got the flat bars in here. Speaking of flat bars, there's one right here, Care Point, which is one of my favorites. There's the Stanliner Killer Whale Tail for really moving out stuff. You got John over there just kind of working the hail damage right there. You already got some of that out, huh?
Yeah.
Let me just zoom in here. Let me just go, let me go into that. So he's got a few right there. It's not too bad. And let's take a look. We got a few minutes left because this goes up to 15 minutes. Now, here's what we got, some tools right here, huh? Look at that. So let's talk about some of the manufacturers we got here. You don't mind if I go through? So we got some Dent Craft whale tails, which is a must if you which one's a sample? Why does it say sample on it? Anyways, yeah, that is the Dent Craft whale tail set right there. I've got some wires right here. This is what I recommend to my students. Is actually, if you ask for the Mike Toledo set, you will get this stuff in there. Is there something else that was in there too as well? Oh, this one right here. Can you grab that bag right there? Yeah. It's another. This all comes with. There's another little bag, right? Oh, this all comes with. They gave this a sample set right here. You get all this for I think about $475 or something like that. That's what it was. And this is a highly recommended set. You can't find it online. You have to order piece by piece. But if you ask Mike Toledo, the Mike Toledo Dent Time set, that's what you'll get right there. Man, he's got Blim. He's got the wedge tools, or the Eagle Talon wedge from Stucky, a must-have. Some tabs from Gang Green. He's got a snap-on hammer here. Some plugs. And don't tell me you guys don't drill holes. Don't even lie. Don't even lie. Or don't say you never have. The Limit Dent with the lines with the Ultra. This is where he bought it. The Limit Dent light. Some DeWalt batteries. Some the Limit Dent gun. Carbon Tech hammer. the Boss, what is that? Yeah, the Boss PDR blending hammer, which is a really good. The butane cordless attachment. The Crown Killer, of course. Some Unibits from Harbor Freight, which is about $13 right there. What else has you got here? Gosh dang, you got so much. You got tips. You got extensions. Look at these extensions for there. He's got, pull out those right there. Yeah, check that out. All right, this is all in one right here. So he's got all these different tools, and he's got more than that. But here's some from Ultra. You got the blade tip, the screw-on tips, another like a saber tooth tip right there. Yeah, another blade tip. Really well made tools, high-end tools. No cutting corners. Let me see that set right there underneath that bag right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me see the goods here. Look at him smiling. Look at him. He's happy. Okay, so look at that. Some door tools, some more soft tip tools, hook tools, just door tools, and a sharper tool. I mean, these tools are legit. He's got a blade tip tool right there, or actually a flare tip or a whale tail here. What is that? Oh, that's your pole. Yeah, that's your pole handle. He's got the cold glue set right over there. Yep, and he's got these little flashlights right there. It goes around his neck. He's got tons of accessories in here. Okay, and then you've got some blem stuff coming. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Some shave tools, this, that, all the knickknacks. Now, the cool thing about tools is that not every manufacturer makes the best of everything, okay? We've got some ants and stuff coming, but she's going to get later on is the tequila set. Let's go check that out, though. Let's go check. Oh, he's got the bean bag for leverage. Let's go check out the tequila sets, too. I do recommend you guys getting this, too. So which he's going to be getting, too, is, let's see here. What the hell? What the hell? Vegemite. You know, my last student's from friggin' Australia. That damn Aaron. This is the nastiest stuff ever. That dog, man. And he put the worst things you could put in here is the freaking Vegemite. What the hell? Look at this. These Vegemite and these. So that's the surprise, huh? Yeah. This is the surprise here. Oh my gosh, dude. So whatever I can see through here. These are the Tequila Picks. These are the tequila. See how curved they are? They go for the hood, the roofs. Definitely a must. Okay, I think they're 5/16 or 7/16. I can't remember the size. I always mess up on the size. I am not good with the diameters. Damn it! This will take me years to get this stuff out of here, man. Yeah, and so these are the door tools, the door lords, especially. Like this is one of them. Highly recommend them, guys, for the stuff. I mean, gosh dang it, man. All right, I gotta get out of here. I gotta clean this stuff up. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a little quick tour, and these are some of the lights I use as well. I'm gonna get you, Aaron, if you watch this video, man. I'm gonna get you. We got more Kiko stuff up there. This is my Kiko area right here for the mini lifters and the tabs that we use. All right, guys, so we are out of here. I'll talk to you guys later on, and we'll see you soon on another video.